Hey, welcome! Today, we are digging into a tool that tackles one of the biggest headaches for anyone starting out online, the crazy cost and complexity of just getting your business off the ground. It's called System.io, and its whole promise is to make everything, well, simpler. Let's see if it actually does.
Does this sound familiar? Oh man, if you've ever tried to launch anything online, you know this pain. Your simple, brilliant idea suddenly needs you to become a tech wizard, basically duct taping a bunch of different software together. And it gets really expensive really fast. And this is what that looks like. On the left, you've got the software Frankenstein, this monster you've built with a tool for this, a tool for that, each with its own login and its own monthly bill. But on the right, that's the dream, right? One platform, one login, and a price tag that can actually start at zero. This is the exact problem System.io was created to solve.
All right, so here's our game plan. We've talked about the tech trap. Next, we'll look at the all-in-one solution idea, peek inside System.io itself, do a reality check to see if it's right for you, and, this is a big one, see how you can start with zero budget. Then we'll wrap up with what your next step could be.
So let's dive into this dream of simplicity. The whole idea is to escape what you might call tool fatigue and to stop bleeding money on subscriptions before you've even made your first dollar.
I mean, just think about it. What if you didn't need to learn 5 different platforms? What if all the essential pieces of your business, your website pages, your emails, how you deliver your product, what if they were all built from the start to just work together? That is the promise of an all-in-one platform.
Okay, so let's pull back the curtain on the tool that makes this promise, System.io. It was founded back in 2018 by a guy named Aurelian Amaker, and it literally came from his own frustration with how complex and expensive all this stuff was. His goal was pretty simple: create one platform to do it all, but without that scary price tag. So, the official definition? It's an all-in-one marketing platform. It puts all those essential tools you need into a single dashboard. You can think of it like a Swiss Army knife for your new business. It might not have the absolute best screwdriver in the world, but it's got the screwdriver, the scissors, and the bottle opener all in one handy package.
And apparently this approach is working. Over 500,000 entrepreneurs are now using System.io. That's a huge number. It tells you that people aren't just signing up for a free trial and leaving. They're actually staying and building real businesses on it.
And when you look at what's included, you can see why. It's kind of wild. You get a sales funnel builder, email marketing, a platform to host online courses, a way to manage your own affiliates, a website and blog builder, even evergreen webinars. Any one of these could easily be a separate monthly subscription.
Now, since Funnel Builder is a core part of this, let's quickly explain what that means if you're new to this. A sales funnel is just a series of pages you create to guide a visitor toward one specific action, like signing up for your email list or buying a product. It's a journey, and System.io is really focused on making it super simple to build those journeys.
Okay, so it all sounds pretty good on paper, but let's be real. No tool is a perfect fit for everybody. So it's time for a little reality check to figure out if System.io is actually the right tool for you. This really lays it all out. The pros are huge, right? It's simple because it's all in one place. It's super affordable. I mean, there's a free plan. It's easy for beginners to pick up, and they don't take a cut of your sales. But the cons are just as important to understand. You don't have total design freedom, so no pixel-perfect control. The automation is pretty basic. Good for simple email sequences, but not for complex if this, then that stuff. And because it's a self-contained system, it doesn't really play nice or integrate with a lot of other tools.
So, who's this for? Honestly, it is a perfect match if you're a beginner just launching your first thing, if you're on a tight budget, or if you're a one-person show who just wants simple over complicated. If you create courses or do affiliate marketing, it's tailor-made for you. Basically, if you are sick of juggling a dozen different tools, this could be your answer.
And just as important, who should probably skip it? Well, if you're a design perfectionist and every pixel matters, you're probably going to feel boxed in. If you're running a bigger business that needs really sophisticated automation, or if you need to connect to a bunch of other very specific tools, this is not for you. And it's not trying to be a Shopify replacement for a big store with hundreds of products. Now we get to what might be the single most powerful thing for anyone starting out. You can get going for free. And I don't mean a free trial. I mean a genuine launch pad for your entire business. Their free forever plan is seriously generous. You get up to 2,000 email contacts. You can build 3 sales funnels and send as many emails as you want. That is more than enough power to test out your idea, start building an audience, and even make your first sales, all without ever pulling out your wallet. So what could you actually do with that free plan?
Here's a super simple but effective example for affiliate marketing. Step 1, you build a simple squeeze page offering something free, like a checklist, to get someone's email. Step 2, you write a few automated emails that go out over 5 days to build some trust. And Step 3, you create a bridge page that recommends a product you're an affiliate for. You can build this entire money-making machine without spending a single penny on software.
So we've covered a ton of ground here. The problem, the potential solution, the good, the bad, even a real-world example. So now, let's talk about how all this fits into your journey.
I absolutely love this quote because it is so perfect. System.io is not the shiny Ferrari of marketing tools. It's the Toyota Camry. It's reliable, it's affordable, and it will absolutely get you where you need to go, especially when you're just starting your trip. You're just not going to be showing it off at the country club, you know?
And that's really what this all comes down to. There's no such thing as this single best tool for everyone. The best tool is the one that fits your budget, your skills, and your goals right now. It's all about matching the tool to where you are on your business journey.
So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. Whether it ends up being with System.io or something else, what's one step you can take this week to simplify your tech so you can spend less time fighting with software and more time focused on what actually matters, creating awesome stuff and connecting with your people? Thanks for tuning in.